I think largely it's based on what kind of questions were we getting, every week from our coworkers or the other people on the committees
Hmm.
that we're sharing, and just seeing, what are the common themes of, oh, it's not clear about X, or people don't know about this guidance that's over here.
Right. And I think also the rapid evolving and number of guidances that are in this space just begged for someone to deconstruct them. I learned a lot of what I do today by working at a large medical device company, and my job was when new guidance dropped in any of this emerging tech space, I'm the one who looked through it and then I fed it back and interpreted it for people. And so for me, that skill is an important thing to share with the larger industry because we all can help contribute to better, safer, more effective medical devices if we understand the regulations and the environment in the best way that we can. And I think this course really feeds that need.